I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to go to the Northstar practice tests. You need a Northstar practice test with 85% or more to be ready to take the state proctored test for the Northstar Digital Literacy Certificate. So once you log in to the Northstar account, don't look at this screen because this is a teacher, so I'm switching over to the learning side. There we go. You will see this screen. You will click on No, I am somewhere else. And this is your lesson screen. And this is where you're taking all of your practices. And if you get a good score on these practices, then you'll want to take the test. Here's how you get to the test. If you go up to your name here, you will have a drop-down menu. Go to Northstar Home. And from Northstar Home, you're going to click Take an Assessment. And that will bring you to the assessments. The ones that we are using for this class are the basic computer skills and the internet basics. Those are the two assessments that you will need to get 85% or higher so that you can take that state proctored test for the certificate. So then you just click on that basic skills, computer skills test, and it will start the test. I already completed this one, so it's not letting me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to click on the second one so that you can see. Okay, it has you test your sound first because you need sound. Okay, and then you'll click Next. Okay.
Let's take a minute.
All right, so that is how you get from the lessons to the tests. And again, if you finish practicing, please go to the test to take the practice test, get 85 or higher, and then we can set you up for a state proctored test. Thanks.